is an overlooked lever for productivity. So some of the symptoms could be a team that is either just getting together and they will never meet each other because they're a global team, and a company may need to quickly get that team solidarity built. Going through some awareness exercises with speech science could be an advantage in that setting. Another symptom in a business setting might be a senior executive who perhaps is working in their second language or is working in a different culture. We have verbal habits that come from, and cultural habits that come from other places. For example, we as North Americans tend to put a lot of emotional content and a lot of intonation that indicates emotional content into our speaking habits. If we came from an Asian language base originally, that would not be part of our repertoire. So when the two cultures then come together, the North American might sound a little glib, a little false to an Asian perhaps, and to us,
too direct.
Right. Yes. So becoming, if a business is looking at a multidisciplinary team, they might consider having some awareness and some skills improvement, some skills mastery. A third group that speech science works with is the most senior exec, and there's a lot of pressure with senior leaders out in the public where there's impromptu real-time coverage. So it could be on camera after a conference. It could be, here's a webinar that is not written and produced in the studio, but it's something that is going to go out for their team training or their shareholder earnings reports, for example. The mastery and awareness of building rapport and underscoring key messages so they're remembered is one of the other areas that a business often thinks about when they put it in the context of social capital and making those relationships convert into financial sustainability. Right. So all I've done